Can you guess what is inside my newest brand deal package? So I'm Georgie-Ann, a content creator, entrepreneur, and mom of two. I do gifted, paid, as well as affiliate links and other different brand partnerships. And I've partnered with over 150 brands in the last 18 months in order to create amazing content. And what I've been doing is an unboxing series of when I get these packages in the mail. 9 out of 10 times I have no idea what's actually in the package because they use manufacturers, they ship it from other places, yada, yada, yada. So I have an idea. I think I know what's in this, but y'all don't. So unbox what's in this bag with me to figure out what my latest brand deal is that I will be creating some UGC content for. The majority of my content is UGC, that's user generated content. That is where I collaborate with the brand to create authentic reviews as well as tutorials and unboxing and explainers of how to use the product or service. Look at this. Oh, I got this. Okay. So this is a brand that I am about to create some content from, and I matched with this brand for a gifted collab. So when the final video is out, I'll link it down below. But here we have this wallet. Look at that. Look at her. She is so cute. Listen, it says Rise and Slay. Okay. Very nice on the inside. Can't wait to use this. And the thing about when you land gifted partnerships, I'm very specific with my gifted brand partnerships because you're getting the product or service instead of cash, instead of getting paid for the brand deal. And so I try to only do those for products and services that I would have bought anyways, right? That's, you know, girl math. So I would have bought that thing anyways. So it just breaks even, right? That's the smartest way to do it. And I have been increasing my purse collection over the last couple years. I did not grow up as a purse girly. I'm all things book bags, tote bags, little crossbodies, but now I'm getting into my purse era. Let me not cut that. Is there a way to get this out? Oh, sorry. I could just slip it over. So here we have this very lovely tote. Let me take off all of the styrofoam off of her so you can see her in her beauty. Okay. Let me get the sleeve or the arm. This is such a cute bag, and it has these little dangles. I'm learning all the purse lingo. Just don't mind me. I'm trying to show you all the best as possible. Ooh, and it's this beautiful yellow color on the inside. We love that. Bubble wrap as usual, and you have the handle strap for you to wear it as a crossbody. There's a little pocket on the inside, and yeah, this is so cute, this little combo. So make sure you check out on my page when I do the final video for this. But if you want to learn how to land brand partnerships, whether they're gifted, paid, or affiliate link, go ahead and follow me, as well as register for my content cash flow masterclass, where I break it all down into granular steps. How do you set your page up to receive these brand deals? How do you pitch? How do you track all of them and create the content and execute on these brand deals while also being a busy mom of two and a business owner? That is literally my life. And if I could do it, so can you. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I can't wait to see y'all in the next video where I talk about my brand deals. Keep creating content, keep doing what you have to do. If this video is helpful, I'd really appreciate if you like it, as well as share it with somebody that it could be helpful to. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My next goal for my YouTube channel here is to get to 2,000. So if you're watching this in the future, when I have more than 2,000 subscribers, hey y'all. And if you're watching this in the present, when I don't have 2,000 yet, we're gonna get there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, everybody.